Welcome to a Cascade tutorial. This video will give you an overview of the basic functionalities within Cascade's homepage. The side menu is where you can find and navigate to all of the pages you can work with in Cascade. The Home option will take you to the page we're currently on. The Assets List option contains all things related to assets, as does the Location Lists option with locations. Current user alerts will take you to the page where you can review and manage alerts on assets or maintenance within Cascade. Timesheet will let you enter and manage time data related to employees or crews or view time reports. The System option allows users to adjust their experience preferences within Cascade. The Cascade side menus are accessed by clicking on the menu option to expand and select related menu options, or by hovering over the menu option and selecting from the pop-up menu. The Cascade side menu can be collapsed or expanded by clicking the arrow at the top of the menu. In the top right corner of Cascade are a selection of common items, accessible by icons. Clicking on the Reports icon will bring up a menu for viewing standard reports or area-specific reports relating to assets you are currently viewing. The Alerts icon will navigate you to the Current User Alerts page, also accessible from the side menu. The Help icon provides access to both the user manual and page-specific help when you need to figure out how to do something within Cascade. The About option under Help will provide you with application version and license information for Cascade and optional modules. Clicking on the User Account icon will allow you to view the logged-on user information and actively log out of Cascade. The system will also automatically log you out of Cascade after an extended period of no activity. The Navigator is displayed as the starting view in Cascade. Here, you can select the locations and asset types you want to work with, setting the context for the options you select from the side menu. Once you've made your selection on the Navigator, you can find what you want within the side menu, or you can quickly navigate to the Assets or Maintenance pages by selecting the Assets or Maintenance cards on the upper right of the page. The Assets and Maintenance cards and Current Selection panel provide summary information of the current Navigator selection before choosing to navigate to one of the result lists to review details and perform other actions. And those are the basics of the Cascade homepage. For further assistance, refer to other online user assistance topics or contact customer success.